Hey, good morning guys. Richie and I are headed to Bludoy's house. Last week we did a little cooking thing with Jenny, and this week we're gonna go there and maybe cook again. We're not really sure. We kind of talked to him yesterday, and hopefully we can cook something today. And another thing I'm gonna bring is a frisbee there. I've never seen anybody really playing with frisbees here, and Bludoy has a huge open field there. So hopefully it'd be fun to kind of introduce a frisbee to them. I don't think they've ever had one before. But we're gonna walk there now. It's very muddy, and we'll see when we get there. All right, I'm with Michael. We're gonna try out this frisbee. Want to try to throw it to me?
Yeah.
Want to go out here? We have lots of room out here. Nice catch. Yeah.
I will do something. Can I talk to you?
Yeah. Wow, that was quite the adventure. Look at my leg. We just rode. The rain came out of nowhere. We were riding down the road, and all of a sudden I took a sharp right into like this muddy area, and all the water just like sprayed up. But we were at Bludoy's house, and we're gonna start cooking. We asked what they needed, and Richie and I are on our way to go get the supplies or get the ingredients. But unfortunately, it's raining right now, so we're gonna hang out here for a little bit, and hopefully it stops soon, and then we'll get the ingredients, and then we'll head back to Bludoy's house.
If you will smile and there's like me, you need to cover your teeth.
Only if you have braces?
Huh?
Only if you have metal in your mouth?
Even
if you don't?
Oh. They
Why?
said.
Who said?
Grandma.
Grandma. Alright, we just got back from the store. We got some peanut. We're filling up with water right now. And that's similar to rice, but I think it's made for like sweet treats and things.
Sige, basa.
And there's fire. So this is Jenny, and that's her sister, right?
Oh.
What's your name?
Nelia.
Nelia. Okay, and then that's your mother, right?
Oh.
Over there? Okay. So we have the whole family's there. Oh, that's Bludoy's mother. This is Bludoy's mother, correct? Okay. So Bludoy's mother's name is Daling. Okay. So there's only like 3 ingredients.
Yeah.
That's the peanut,
Then
and then brown sugar, and then the coconut. Okay. All right. How long will we let that boil for? 30 minutes maybe?
No.
15? 3 days?
20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Something.
All right. We don't do time here. We usually just check it to see if it's done.
Yeah,
All right.
it's
So
okay.
probably around 20 minutes though. Nelia's gonna prepare that in here, and then Jenny is doing the coconuts here. Yeah, I'll do the next one. It's raining again. Look at all these coconuts. So we added 3 cups of water in there. the brown sugar. So all in all, it's 1 kilo of brown sugar. We're adding the peanut and the coconut juice or liquid.
Liquid. I am a cheap cook.
You're doing a great job. If you can imagine what it smells like brown sugar melting.
Hinay din mo awas niya. Hinay sa hunong-hunong sa hunong.
It's filled to the top.
Sulwak lagi na day, hindi lagi paigo day pa. Liwat sa
Brilliant mind with the shimmy. I think we need to eat that to make more room.
Mura ni nga bukan ni nga away. Away mas magawang noon. Apil ni day.
Ay sa kapurago. Nera go.
Ya ada piris.
Nera go.
They're arguing. She said, stop putting that one. I'll put you here.
Wow, I can't believe we fit that all in there.
It's finished. Magic.
It is magic. We can't get any more full than that.
There. Spoon.
Don't forget, don't use your hand.
Yeah.
Very relax.
You are a one-day chief cook.
One day, maybe 1 minute.
But tomorrow you are fired.
Oh, I'm gonna get fired. It could be the quickest job ever. It's like smoking a carton of cigarettes.
You stop.
Stop?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Who made you cry?
Oh, it's an emotional job. Alright, Bludoy's got the banana leaves.
Okay. Hisi. Ano po tayo si Judy Agan?
Yan na dere.
Mga bata dito. Maligo sila sa awan?
Bana la ba niyo wala mo pulo. Shaming sila.
Wow! All that rain made a pool over here.
Swimming pool. There.
Now let's go check out the swimming pool.
It's a big swimming pool.
Yeah, this is all you need. This is the best water park. They got a big river coming all the way through, coming all the way down. Here's Bludoy's water container, all the way to the top.
Nawa ko na re.
How do you know when it's done?
Assistant raman ko, assistant.
Sino?
Okay. Get the expert.
Oh, okay. Okay na. Di makaluyan kani akong employer mo isuot sa kaha.
Dadaro init kayo kay. Kuha sa dire.
Ang employer mo isuot sa kaha.
Mahalo ka sa dire.
So last week was Bud Bud. This week is Biko, and next week we'll have Maha. So all right, so I'm looking forward to Maha. So far, I don't know which one's my favorite. This one or the other one. This one's really good. But I like the other one too.
We have.
No.
You want to try? Oh, yeah, you try it.
So what's the difference between this and rice?
This one is sticky
Okay.
and
So
tasty.
is it sticky rice?
Yeah, sticky rice.
It is sticky rice. Okay.
Ah, sticky rice, yeah.
And what's the difference between sticky rice and regular rice?
It's sticky.
Alright, Raven.
Yeah, it's true.
But does it grow on the ground just like rice?
I'm not sure.
I'll have to look that up. I'm not sure either. Hey guys, what's the difference between sticky rice and regular rice?
Yeah.
Is there something they do after they grow it?
It's sticky.
Yeah, the difference is sticky. Is that what Google says?
But rice is also sticky after cooking, but this one is... Dustin, you eat granada?
What's that?
Granada? Kuha ka? Layo man ka ha.
Why, you have one?
Di may kagay dito.
Is it a fruit?
It's like granade fruit.
You have one here?
Neighbor. Little...
It's like a tree, you pick it?
We'll go there.
Okay.
It's like granade fruit.
Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video of us cooking Biko. We definitely enjoyed eating it. Now we're gonna go try to find granado. Granada, sorry. And it's, I don't think I've ever had it before. What does it taste like?
Me too.
What'd you say, Chalamet? It's grenade?
Yeah.
Okay.
Granada in English grenade.
Okay, it's like a grenade?
Grenade.
It looks like a grenade?
Yeah. Oh.
Wow.
I'm Filipino, but it is also my first time to
This
eat
is your
it.
first time too?
It looks like baba.
Does it taste like it?
But they said you will not eat the...
The skin?
Yes.
Oh, you can eat the seeds.
Aywa.
Okay. Is that the only thing you eat is the seeds?
Aywa.
You don't eat anything else?
Dili ko na burag ang duga lang niya, di ba?
I just
Suck on them?
Mura-
Suck and chew maybe?
Yeah.
Burag lans.
Sure, yeah.
So it's like crunchy on the outside of the seed,
Can you try that way?
and it's kind of like sourish a little bit. It's good. You can see the little seed inside, and it's kind of like crunchy and juicy on the outside. What do you think? Yummy?
It's like corn
Yeah, it looks like corn.
and pink.
So that's what it looks like after you get like the juicy part off. Looks like a little corn.
Mahal ni siya ito pag
For one of these, it's 70 pesos. Wow. In December is the time of the year when they...
Christmas.
Okay.
Christmas.
It's my first time eating grenade.
Is it good?
Kanang kuha pa.
Wala na man.
Wala pa po, oh.
Pagkatadong may ko.
Kahoy na lang, di bale.
Dahil kayo na sa itong tango.
Oh, mga rin eh. Bigger one. Pwede rin pangkat ay. Silangor, sa Silangor. Doon naman ang Malaysia sa Pilipinas. You know this one?
No, what is that?
It's milk stuff. And then good for your eyes. This is vitamins put in your eyes.
You put it in your eyes, really? Like an eye drop?
Yeah. Before me and Raymond played and then he hit my eyes and I
Yeah.
cannot see and there's blood. This is one of my
You put it in your eye?
uh,
Wow.
May anak?
Wow, look at all that.
Siyang tao na nga.
yeah.
So this is Tenengkong. All this in here is Tenengkong. And we're gonna take it home and we're gonna prepare it and eat it.